Would you like a receipt?
What's up, you guys? This is my 2022 GTI. We're currently on EQT's Stage 1 E85 tune. EQT's claiming around 350 horsepower, and that's at the wheels. Definitely moves, man. The good thing about these new gens is it all comes with upgrading fueling already. So you don't need to upgrade anything to go full E. You just need the tune, which is amazing. It's the first thing I jumped on. Cheaper gas, baby. So everything else is completely stock. I did add in a drop-in air filter, and there is a diverter valve spacer. That's what you get the turbo flutters from. Not even an inlet pipe, no down pipe. Complete stock besides the E85 tune. And she's running perfect, man. EQT makes great tunes. It's not on any type of lowering springs or coilovers, which I definitely need to do because of the monster truck gap. These are 225s, they're 235s. Woo! It's fucking hot. And I have to piss so bad. What that way, bumpy. I've been ripping on it too bad.